fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dee. I'm back with another video. Guys, today I am doing a Mickey's mukbang, whatever you gonna call it. So I got the large fries on deck. I have the quarter pounder, my favorite. But y'all, let's get into this video. Before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Y'all, I'm whispering because my kids are napping next door. But anyways, let's get into this video. Okay. Amen. So yeah, guys, how y'all been doing? Y'all like my hair? I got my hair did. Yeah, I got my hair did. But these nails is getting done when I get off work. I'm on lunch break right now, y'all. So yeah. But guys, I have not been making videos because I've been working. I've been doing other stuff. I've been busy, y'all. I'm so sorry. I've been busy. I have been so busy, y'all. But I'm back and I'm better. But how you guys been doing? Okay, let's get in. How you guys been doing? Y'all want some? Y'all take the first bite. That looks so good. Yeah, guys. How y'all been doing? Y'all got me some buffalo sauce. Yeah, some buffalo sauce to go on my fries. How many of y'all dip your fries in this? It's the spicy buffalo sauce. I dip everything in this. But guys, guess what? Tomorrow I get to go live again after 3 months. I get first time going live in 3 months, y'all. I told y'all I got that strike, community strike. But tomorrow I get to go live. My 3 months is up tomorrow, y'all, the 26th. I'm so excited. But yeah, guys, I wanted to do that Nene's challenge. The two times spicy chicken wing challenge. I wanted to do that last week, but I was busy. I was so busy. But my noodles came in. My spicy noodles came in the mail Saturday. My boys want to do the I got 3 packs of them. My boys wanted to do the 2 times spicy noodles challenge. So I guess I'm gonna have to do that with them. Quarter pound is hitting. Y'all, I missed you guys so much. I'm in my classroom right now, y'all, on my break. My boyfriend came and got me. I had to go do a couple of things, pay a couple of bills, you know how that go. And it brought me back to work. Y'all, I'm back. So on the phone. Hate when somebody called me in front of a video, in the middle of a video. But anyway, I get to go live tomorrow, y'all. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. And a happy Monday. Because I am. Ooh. Oh, that was good. Anyway. I hope everybody's weekend was good. Y'all. It's about time for me to clock back in here in a few minutes. So, it was nice talking to you guys. I missed you guys. Go ahead. Share this video. Like, comment, and hit that red button to subscribe. And I miss you guys so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.